response to great uncertainty which EU nationals and their loved ones currently experience due to Brexit, and on numerous requests of my subscribers, I've created this special Your Rights to Remain in the UK After Brexit video series, clearly explaining your immigration rights to remain in the UK and lifting this veil of uncertainty off your shoulders. Hello, my dearest friends. My name is Svetlana Shlapak. I am the creator of this free ukvisasuccess.com channel and also a senior immigration solicitor based in London, UK. I won my first UK immigration law case at the tribunal back in 2003, which gives me over 15 years of experience in the UK immigration law field. I'm here to explain how the UK immigration system works and empower you by helping you gain control over your immigration situation and explain how you can apply information in these videos in practice. I've created a special mind map outlining how EU nationals and their family members can check if they qualify for indefinite leave to remain in the UK. This mind map is accompanied by the PDF guide clearly explaining each element of the mind map. These documents are completely free and can be used in less than 60 seconds. All you have to do is click the link below. Okay, now let us have a look at your next question. What will be the legal status of EU citizens and their family members following Brexit? This is an overview of a divorce agreement between UK and EU. On 19th of March 2019, the European Union and the UK published a 129-page document called Draft Agreement on the Withdrawal of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland from the European Union and the European Atomic Energy Community. This is a draft divorce agreement between UK and EU. This document explains what EU citizens and their loved ones who live in the UK should expect throughout the transitional phase, which begins on 29th of March 2019 and ends on 31st of December 2020. On 21st of June 2019, the Home Office publishes another document explaining the EU settlement scheme further. They've explained that in line with the draft withdrawal agreement with the European Union published on 19th of March 2018, the EU settlement scheme will mean that, first of all, EU citizens and their family members who by 31st of December 2020 have been continuously resident in the UK for 5 years will be eligible for settled status, enabling them to stay in the UK indefinitely. Secondly, EU citizens and their family members who arrive by 31st of December 2020 but will not yet have been continuously resident here for 5 years will be eligible for so-called pre-settled status, enabling them to stay until they have reached the 5-year threshold, after which they can then apply for settled status. Thirdly, EU citizens and their family members with settled status or pre-settled status will have the same access as they currently do to healthcare, pension and other benefits in the UK. And lastly, last key principle which was outlined in the EU settlement scheme was that close family members, for example, spouses, civil partners, durable partners, dependent children and grandchildren, and dependent parents or grandparents living overseas will still be able to join their EU citizens' residence here in the UK after the end of the implementation period, where the relationship existed on 31st of December 2020 and continues to exist when the person wishes to come to the UK. Future children are also protected. As you can see, these arrangements will enable EU citizens and their family members living in the UK to continue their lives in the UK as before, with the same entitlement to work, study and access public services and benefits. According to this EU settlement scheme document, there will be plenty of time for EU citizens and their family members to apply for their UK immigration status. It is important to note that there will be no change to your current rights under the EU law until 31st of December 2020, and the deadline for applications to the scheme for those who are resident in the UK by the end of 2020 will be 30th of June 2021. And just to remind you once again that a free mind map together with the PDF guide are available for you to download. These documents give you a bird's eye view of how EU citizens and their family members can remain and settle in the UK after Brexit. These documents are completely free and you can download them by clicking the link below this video. Have a great day, everyone.